Today I'm taking you on a journey inside my mind as I create two radically different architectural visualizations. We're diving into colorful chaos of pop art and the calming vibes of minimalism. Hi, this is Per and welcome to my channel. Let's get started. This is the SketchUp file I'm using and I'll put the link in the description below. So first, I'm getting into the pop-up theme. When I think of pop art, I think sharp, bold colors, thick outlines, a dot pattern, a bold typography, and simple shapes. And well, to sum up, something that screams, "Look at me." I'm starting off with applying the vibrant colors and carrying on with the rest of the process to create a pop art visualization. And now this scene is all about explosion of colors, bold graphics, and a sense of excitement channeled into architecture. And now let's flip the script to the minimalist approach, or as we know it, the less is more philosophy. This approach is all about the beauty of simplicity and basically eliminating what's excessive and not necessary. This exported image itself is already about minimalism. It just needs a little tweaking and more details. So here we go. And this is how it turns out. In this scene, every detail matters in a simple, effortless way. Tell me in the comments which of these two styles you prefer. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.